Your mission: grow and pick plants to fill up the farm stand and feed the fidgets. Did you know you can grow plants in pipes without any dirt? It's true! And it's better for the environment than regular farming. The fish poop falls apart in the water. The plants use very small parts of poop for food. This also cleans the water for the fish. Let's grow some. Grow mint plants. Pick 3 of them for the fidgets. Let's see how to build your farm. Drag a pipe onto the board. Let's put it right here. Now, drag another pipe next. Drag over this elbow pipe to make a corner. Now, fill in the rest of the outline with pipes. Only the side-to-side pipes grow plants. Now, drag a fish into your tank. When you're done building, turn on the water to start growing. It's time to feed the fish. Drag the jar over the tank. Tap all the big plants to pick them. Look here to see how many plants you picked. Fabulous farming! Your fish's poop help feed the plants, and the plants help clean the fish's water. Here comes a hungry fidget. Help her catch some food. Tasty! Now you can grow basil plants. Grow basil plants. Pick 6 of them for the fidgets. Time to feed the fish. They need food to be healthy. Your farm needs more plants to help clean the fish's water. Add another row of pipes to grow more plants. The new plants will help clean your fish's water. When you're done building, turn on your farm to keep growing your plants. Some of your plants are ready to be picked. Tap on all the big ones. Fabulous farming! You grew enough. Here comes a hungry fidget. Help her catch some food. Tasty! Now you can grow spinach plants.